oche. Again, this is pronounced as oche, and this is used to say yesterday. Again, oche means yesterday. Next word is jikum. Again, it's jikum, and this is used to say now. Again, jikum means now. Next word is aka. Again, it's aka, and this is used to say a while ago, today. Again, aka means a while ago, today. Next word is odi. Again, it's odi, and this is used to say or ask where. So if you wanted to ask for a place or location, you can use odi. Next word is otokhe. Again, it's otokhe, and this is used to say what to do. Again, otokhe is used to say what to do. Next word is otoke. Again, otoke, and this is used to ask how, or this is used to ask about the manner of doing something. Again, otoke is used to ask how. Next word is 축하합니다. Again, it's 축하합니다, and this is used to say congratulations. Again, 축하합니다 means congratulations. Next word is 왜. Again, 왜, and this is used to ask why, or if you wanted to ask for the reason for something. Again, 왜 means why. Next word is 모르다. Again, 모르다, and this is a verb which means not to know or to not know. Again, 모르다 means not to know. Next word is 몰라. Again, it's 몰라, and this is used to say I don't know in an informal manner. Again, 몰라 means I don't know.